Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you really quickly how you can create boards in Trello, for example, to invite team members to work with you in your workspaces. So let us get started right away now, shall we? So head over to Trello.com, log into your account, and here on your home screen, guys, you will see this icon here at the top, Create. So click on it and select Create a Board from that drop-down menu. You may get started faster according to this description by simply using a board template. So let us go with a board template for the sake of this tutorial to speed this up a bit. And after that, select the template from that list below. Like, let us go, for instance, with a project management board template. So select it. You may also unlock access to more custom board templates by clicking on that button here. So after that, you will be given the opportunity to give your board a title. So let me give it a board title like that, a test project management board or something like that. And below, select the visibility status like private or public or workspace so that all your invited team members may have access to your board. Click on create here, and that's basically it. As you can see, your board will be created almost instantaneously. Now you may start by adding lists, for instance, to your board, inviting members by clicking on that plus icon here on the left panel, create various to-do lists, calendars, tables, worksheets, and even gain access to automation tools. However, guys, some of these automation tools can only be accessed with a premium account on Trello. So if you upgrade your account to a premium one, is totally up to you. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.